In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal News. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to keep up with the latest market, sector, and company developments without getting overwhelmed. First, open TIKR Terminal and search for the ticker you want news on. Think of this as setting your focus. You can type the ticker symbol or the company name into the search field, then identify the correct listing based on the exchange and description that appears. Taking a second to confirm you've selected the right company helps you avoid mixing up similar names or different share classes. Once you're on that company's page, you're ready to see what's moving the story behind the stock. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click News. This brings up a dedicated feed of the latest stories. Here, you'll see timely updates pulled from reputable financial outlets, company announcements, and broader market or sector headlines that provide context around your ticker. The layout is designed for quick scanning. You'll typically notice timestamps, source names, and concise headlines so you can judge relevance at a glance. Use this feed to understand both the specific and the big picture. Company-level headlines might include earnings results, guidance changes, product launches, executive moves, or regulatory items that can directly shift sentiment. Sector pieces help you gauge whether a move in your stock is part of a wider trend, like changing commodity prices, new legislation, or industry data. Market-wide headlines add another layer, helping you separate stock-specific news from macro forces such as interest rate updates or geopolitical developments. A few practical tips can make this even more effective. Start by scanning the most recent headlines and noting anything clearly price-moving, like earnings beats or misses, M&A discussions, or changes to outlooks. Pay attention to publication times in relation to market hours to assess why a price is reacting now or might react later. If you're tracking a thesis, compare what you read with your expectations and jot down one or two key takeaways so you're building a consistent narrative over time. When multiple stories cover the same event, prioritize sources with deeper analysis or original reporting to get clarity quickly. That's it. Open TIKR Terminal, search your ticker, and use the news section to stay current on company, sector, and market headlines. With this simple workflow, you'll spend less time chasing information and more time making informed decisions.